This is lesson 2 of our command line and Git tutorial. We are set up the same way we were set up in lesson 1. If you haven't taken a break between those two lessons, you can type clear and hit enter, and that will move your command prompt to the top. If you're just opening up this program again, it should already be starting here. You'll notice that we are at the home with tilde. And we have already covered how to list files and directories within the current directory by using ls. We've talked about changing to a different directory using cd, and in this case I'm going to use cd documents, and I type doc and tab, and text auto completes for me. Now I'm in documents. If I look what's in here, I see a different list. I can go back to my home directory by doing cd tilde and confirm that I'm there. And I can type clear to take me back to the top of the screen. So that's a brief review of what we've covered so far. The two new commands we're going to learn today are make dir and remove directory. So mkdir is short for make directory, and it creates a directory within the current directory. And rm-r removes a directory and all its contents, including subdirectories. So rm-r will also remove a file. The command works for both files and directories. So if we follow along with our tutorial, we have cd tilde to make sure we're in our home directory, which we were. And now I'm going to make a directory, and it's going to be mkdir, and I'm going to do z underscore projects and hit enter. Now I'm going to hit ls, and I'm going to see I already had a z underscore work, and I now have a z underscore projects. I am going to go into that directory, so I'm going to type cd z underscore p, hit tab, hit enter, and I'm going to see that my command prompt has changed to indicate that I am now in Z projects. I'm going to do ls. I'm going to see that there isn't anything there. I can do ls-a and see the two files that support the file system functioning the way it's supposed to function. And see where I am. I can make another folder, so mkdir, and I'm going to say, just call it the folder. And now if I do an ls, I'm going to see that added to the empty folder, I now have another folder called the folder. New pro tip: you can use your arrow keys to scroll through commands you've previously given. So if I press the up arrow, I move up through the command list. If I press the down arrow, I move down through the command list. I'm going to do ls-a to see everything that actually exists within that folder. And I'm going to cd down into the folder, so cd th tab ls, and it's going to be empty. And I say, great, I've done the work that I want to do. I've learned how to make a folder. I've created folders within folders. I now want to go back up to my home directory, and I'm going to do that by cd tilde. I'm going to do an ls. I can see the folder that I created, the z underscore projects, and I want to remove this. So I'm going to use rm-r and z underscore p, hit tab, Run the command, ls, and now z underscore projects is gone. So, what we've covered in this lesson are two commands. The first is makedir, which lets us create directories, and the second is rm-r, which lets us delete either files or directories. Thank you much.